Hi and welcome to this guided Archangel Michael meditation, helping you let go of negative thoughts and emotions and keeping you safe from harm. So if you are suffering from depression or just feel down and sad, then this meditation can help you release those negative emotions, as Archangel Michael is the conqueror of negativity. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a couple of deep breaths to calm your mind and body, releasing stress and tension. So breathe in deeply, all the way down into your belly, and breathe out fully, letting go of worries and letting go of stress. Breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. One last time, breathe in fresh air and breathe out tension from your body and thoughts from your mind. Now continue to breathe calmly and deeply in a tempo and rhythm that works for you. Now imagine that you are sitting inside your room. Everything is dark and you just sit there, staring into the room. Your mind is filled with thoughts and your heart is filled with emotions. You take a moment to become aware of those thoughts and emotions. How do you feel? Allow yourself to connect to your emotions and let them out. Do you have this feeling of uneasiness inside of your stomach? A feeling of sadness? Maybe you have a slight nausea, as those negative emotions are building up inside of you. You may constantly feel like you're holding back tears and feel lost and unable to see the end of the dark tunnel you're in right now. Take a moment to simply become aware of your feelings. Don't be afraid to feel. Cry if you have to. Just get it out. Now imagine that right in front of you, a small blue light appears. It is very weak, and you wouldn't have noticed it if the room wasn't so dark. The faint light is floating above the ground, about 10 feet away from you. You keep staring at this small, strange light. The light all of a sudden slowly starts to grow bigger and brighter. For every second, the light becomes a little bigger and its blue light starts to glow more and more. You keep staring at this mysterious light. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced before. The light grows bigger and brighter, and the blue light is now starting to illuminate the entire room. You begin to feel the energy from the light. You can feel a faint vibration on your skin. The light feels warm and inviting, and you feel drawn to it. The light is now the size of a grown person, and you watch as it slowly transforms into a human shape, like a silhouette of a person. There are no facial features or any details on the body. It is simply a bright blue person of light. The glowing person doesn't say anything. It just stands there, facing you and resonating with pure energy. You then get this feeling inside of your heart, like you know who it is. It does not have to say anything, as you feel it inside of your heart. It is Archangel Michael, the great angel of God, the conqueror of evil, and the great protector. You know that he has come to help you, helping you out of this depression and helping you let go of your sadness and pain. The glowing blue angel of light slowly comes closer. It is now standing right in front of you. It is like looking into the star-filled universe itself. You know you are safe with him, and that he is here to help. You then say to him, "Please help me. Help me let go of my sadness, and help me heal my heart. As I want my life back. I want to be happy, and I want to enjoy life." He then reaches out one hand and places it on your heart. You immediately feel a sudden rush of energy, like he is a magnet of energy, and you feel the sorrow, the pain, and the sadness getting sucked out of you. The feeling is so strong, and you feel every negative emotion leave your body as his healing hand pulls out the pain. You surrender and let it all go. No more pain, no more tears, and no more sadness. You let him take it all away. The energy from his hand makes your entire body vibrate, and you feel the dark cloud disappear. You are now completely empty of negative energy. You feel free. He then moves his hand to your head, and once again you feel the strong energy suck out all of your negative thoughts, making room for positive thoughts. You feel how your mind clears up as Archangel Michael's blue hand of energy pulls out all of your thoughts of self-hate, blame, and guilt. You feel completely free. Free like you have never felt before. He now removes his hand and then takes his other hand and places it on your heart. You now feel this strong feeling of love and joy pouring into your heart, filling you with positive energy, healing and restoring your heart. You have never felt such love before. It is so powerful and so pure, a true heavenly love. You let the love spread into your entire body, feeling it in every cell of your body, feeling empowered, feeling cleansed, and feeling energized. You deserve to be happy, and you deserve to feel inner peace. You look up at the glowing blue angel. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Thank you for your healing, and thank you for saving me. You then close your eyes, and when you open them once again, the angel is gone, but the room is no longer dark. You know that even though you do not see him right now, he will always be around you. All you need to do is call him. Call for God and ask for his healing and assistance. You notice how light your heart feels. It is like you look at life through entirely new eyes for the first time in a long time, able to see the beauty that surrounds you, and with a joy and love in your heart that you haven't felt in a long time. You can't stop smiling. You are free. Now take one last deep breath, and then slowly open your eyes, feeling healed and feeling happy once again. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good experience with this meditation exercise. Please support me on Patreon to help keep this channel alive. I really appreciate your kindness and generosity. I am jbittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.